Kardom kadu kave kar British 2.0 YouTube channel long kilang ara do ana fans tamil la pen pini la so video long nali tumhan ki wan pi la bang ke kar biang long autonomous council hin pen kapik lang pon awareng warsai putak sin wan pi lo ko pi awareng warsai ma kon ana pu sabi kensi sidoma ka apply neng ji ko son ma la so putak non nali tum fan la so video long nang pik lang pon ikpo nali tum la so YouTube channel ada subscribe bilang punya subscribe ikon la pen video ki share la bang ke nali tum teni ne pin pen share pon ikon Tadi non patiek pen karbiang lo autonomous council hin pen kapik lang pon awareng warsai putak le lang pon onang la pen cethan pon onang Tadi non patiek pen cethan pon onang public relation department karbiang long autonomous council hin pen kapik lang pon grade 3 la pen grade 4 awareng warsai aputak le Kicengsi na litum la grade 3 la pen grade 4 awareng warsai pan ki jog dun ji pa na litum standard form dunengji Halaso standard form along nalitum kenang so details fill up do nangpo lapen kenang so a documents nalitum pabon do nangpo lapen deda pi council mate karbiang autonomous council revenue receipt siga cap la bangki ST hills lapen ST plans lapen SC mate schedule kas atuma panlo lapen inkoy la bangke kaprek a category atuma panlo lapen deda pi nalitum jong si jogdun ji pulo tangte jogdun iknang pola pen adet labang ke last date lang ponlo pulo te dake tokpon the application will be received up to 4 p.m. of 31st March 2025 mate la sochiklo 31st March 2025 an si last date lo lapen interview lapen kapre ka son nalitum la so YouTube channel long stame thek pon long ji kali pulte nalitum newspaper la local newspaper office notice board along stame nalitum la interview lapen kapre ka farman bangke hodak nalitum update long ponik po lalo la se name of office lapen name of post name of vacancies lapen kinang so qualification kon anma salary kon anma la soput has tame lang ponona nalitum la so box tong lang lo pulte thek long ji Kicengsi name of office la bangke dang number 1 long kipipon la bangke Deputy Director of Information and Public Relation Hills Karbi Anglong Difu la pen la sodim la so office along bangke LDA apan stameda AC an apus kipipon do kacharli ang deng degree unang po arts commerce science azat long pestame la pen salary na litum da 14,000 pen 49,000 an litum long pon exi la pen dag number 2 long do thulang na litum thek long ji number 2 long la bangke of name of office la bangke district information and public relation officer Hamren ladak stame LDA apus bangke da so lo apus la bangke isibet do Lapen kacharli ang deng la bangke degree complete nang po arts commerce science ajas pen stame pen salary na nitum 14,000 pen 49,000 an long pon exi lason attack dag number 3 long ke tok pondo office amen la bangke district information and public relation officer difu lapen chugi darapan stame da apos la bangke isido kacharli ang deng ke nangji class 10 pass nangji lapen salary na litum 12,000 pen 37,500 an na litum long pon exi listening ke hang abang pu abang pietum na litum jong si ning hang pala jogdun tame lapen puthot dak kipi pon dolang general condition ko pipia condition man na litum ladak ka follow nang ji la stop puthak tame dak tok pon do candidate labang ke the candidate must be Indian citizen as defined in Article 5 Lapen 8 Constitution of India. Lapen number 2 long ketokpon candidate must not be less than 18 years or more than 38 years of age on 28 February 2025. The upper age limit relaxable for ST and SC candidates as per government standing rules. Lapen kijogdunji abang phumate abang pietum 18 years pen aki kom kalida nang po mate aki zoom kalida nang po 38 pen aki ong kalida nang po mate abad kalida nang po lapen SC ST tum handak age limit relaxable ki pipondo labang ki government pen ko anma ki pipon la soteng si pipon po puse dake tokpon number 3 long lang lot the application must be submitted with the self attested copies of all the relevant documents testimonials along with 2 copies of recent passport size photograph lapen nali tum application along ki pidu nengji pa bondo nengji la bangke ang tona documents tong nali tum sel attested la bangke chi pidu nengji kinang sot lapen non hejong kachitulia photo mate kasemara photo 2 copies la passport size photo la ta ki pidu nengji kinang sot pusi la da ke tokpon dolo number 4 along dolang the candidates serving in government autonomous bodies and the others institutions shall submit their application through proper channel jong sinali tum kap government asai mate government over engwar sai do ko pa fit stami wai fit pustami la so over engwar sai phanjong sinali tum jogdon chining ha pulate nali tum stami jogdon ikmi puta lada ke tok pondo lapen number 5 on dolang the candidate will have to appear for interview at their own cost before selection board along with all original documents lapen candidate interview ahod nalitum angton da documents original la bhai baga ponangji putar la da ke tok pondo lapen number 6 tong do the candidates should have registered their names in district employment exchange and the registration number and that must be the mentioned in the application la sinalitum employment exchange la take do nangji kinangsot district employment exchange also registration numbers tame application form along ka fill up do nangji kenang sot puta lada ke tok pondo lapen number 7 ong laute the envelope containing the application should be superscript application for the post LDA together as envelope nali tum la arlo la angton documents lapen application form lapen la council revenue receipt la hai nali tum jok thai pen api la envelope la pachera pamisi la so thak nalitum tok dunangji application for the post copy of post one nalitum LDA ma together ma nalitum mention dunang po jong se nalitum application angton nalitum dak ke hang penateng jong si choklim le pute khodaksi reject po puta dak tok pondo lapen dak last date la bangke nalitum theklongji 31 1st March 2025 si last date lo sa prang nalitum jokton nang ekpo nasi video nang litum share ko karbeng lo rasta me pala ignang la pen pachini ignang la pen la sonson update nalitum karjulong verji la pen kilong verji aphan pura la so YouTube channel la bangke nalitum subscribe igon la sipini over sai kaputhak na ke than ponji la bangke lan chot lo la pen la so advertisement ni already telegram channel la pen whatsapp group long stami send pone gelo hodak pen nalitum download ik pen lang igon tani domi thakme kadu kave karbe 2.0 YouTube channel long kelangara do ara pan stami nilin pen cardom